Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, hi, I'm so excited to have you. Today we're diving deep into the world of eyeliner, specifically the ever-so-coveted winged liner. Trust me, I know from experience that perfecting that sharp, flawless wing can feel like a mythical quest sometimes. But it doesn't have to be. That's why I'm sharing my top do's and don'ts for avoiding common eyeliner mistakes. So grab your favorite liner, and let's get started. Picking the right eyeliner is like finding the perfect pair of jeans. It can make or break your look. It's not just about the color, though that's important too. We're talking about formula, finish, and staying power. Think about what you're looking for. Do you want something waterproof for those emotional days, or something smudge-proof for all-night adventures? Maybe a super pigmented black for drama, or a brown for a softer look. My go-to is a felt tip liner for sharp wings, but liquid liners with a fine brush are amazing for precision. Gel liners are great for beginners because you can build up the intensity. Experiment with different formulas and brands to find what works best for you. Don't be afraid to try drugstore brands too. You can find some hidden gems out there. When testing eyeliners, pay attention to how smoothly it applies. Does it tug on your delicate eyelid skin, or does it glide on effortlessly? The right liner should feel comfortable and be easy to control. Remember, a good quality eyeliner doesn't have to break the bank, but it should last on your eyes and in your makeup bag. Okay, let's talk about a mistake I see so many people making: pulling on your eyelids while applying eyeliner. We've all been there, right? We think stretching our eyelids will give us a smoother surface, but trust me, it's doing more harm than good. Firstly, pulling on your delicate eyelid skin can actually cause premature wrinkles. Nobody wants that. Secondly, when you let go of your eyelid, the skin bounces back, and your perfectly drawn wing, totally distorted. Instead of tugging at your skin, try tilting your head back slightly and looking down into a mirror. This gives you a better view of your lash line and helps you apply the liner more precisely. Relax your hand, use small strokes, and let the liner do the work. The eternal struggle of matching your eyeliner wings. It's like trying to make two snowflakes identical. It takes practice, patience, and maybe a little magic. But don't worry, I've got you covered. Start by marking the end point of your wings. This will help you visualize the shape and ensure both sides are even. You can use a dot of eyeliner, a brow pencil, or even a small piece of tape as a guide. Once you have your guide points, start drawing your wings from the outer corner inwards, following the natural curve of your lash line. Remember to keep your hands steady and use light strokes to avoid any harsh lines. If you're a beginner, using a stencil or a spoon as a guide can be a game changer. These tools provide a template for your wings, making it easier to achieve a symmetrical look. We've all been there. You dip your eyeliner brush into the pot only to pull out a clumpy, overloaded mess. Trust me, I've been there too. Using too much product is a recipe for smudging, smearing, and panda eyes. Not the look we're going for. The key here is to start with a little bit of product and build up gradually. If you're using a liquid or gel liner, always wipe off any excess product on the rim of the container or on a tissue. This will prevent globs of liner from transferring to your eyelid. When applying the liner, use a light hand and avoid pressing too hard. This will help distribute the product evenly and prevent smudging. Remember, it's easier to add more liner than it is to remove it. Let's be real for a second. Even the most seasoned makeup artists make mistakes. The key is to know how to fix them without ruining your entire look. One of my favorite tools for cleaning up eyeliner mistakes is a pointed cotton swab dipped in makeup remover. This magical little tool lets you erase any smudges, stray lines, or uneven edges with precision. For larger mistakes, you can use a small, flat concealer brush and a bit of concealer. Apply the concealer over the mistake, blending it out carefully to create a seamless finish. Don't be afraid to experiment with different cleanup methods to find what works best for you. Remember, practice makes perfect, and even the most intimidating makeup looks can be achieved with a little patience and the right techniques. And there you have it, my loves. Mastering the art of winged eyeliner takes time and practice. But don't get discouraged if your first few attempts don't look perfect. We've all been there. Remember to choose the right eyeliner, relax those eyelids, and embrace the cleanup process. Most importantly, have fun and experiment with different styles until you find what makes you feel confident and beautiful. Because at the end of the day, makeup is all about expressing yourself and having fun with it. If you love these tips, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more beauty tutorials. I'm so grateful for your support, and I can't wait to see your amazing eyeliner looks.